happy for no reason like a child, because reasons can be taken from you at any time. The total number of coronavirus cases in India has increased to 62,25,763 after a single day spike of 80,472 cases. The number of patients who have been discharged so far has reached 51,87,825. Meanwhile, death toll in the country has surged to 97,497. Out of the total cases, 9,40,441 cases are currently active. A loud bang that shook the city center of Paris on Wednesday was caused by a sonic boom from a passing fighter jet, police said. People living in the central parts of the city had reported feeling the ground tremble and seeing their windows shake. People were seen stepping out of their houses following the loud bang. OnePlus 8T to be among the first to launch with Android 11. The upcoming OnePlus 8T smartphone will launch with Oxygen OS 11 out of the box, the company announced, adding that it will be among the first global smartphones to launch with Android 11. The new operating system will come with a new layout which moves touch controls closer to the user's thumbs, new always-on display options and new animations and gestures. Woman pulls out 52 kg fish from river, sell it for 3 lakhs rupees in West Bengal. An elderly woman in West Bengal, South 24 Parganas district pulled out a 52 kg fish from the river while she went fishing, which fetched her over 3 lakh rupees. The fish was probably killed after colliding with the passing vessel, a villager said. However, the blubber of the fish is sold at a high price and exported to other countries. A 2-day-old baby girl was stabbed to death and her body was dumped in the premises of a temple in Bhopal. Police have said the newborn baby with multiple stab wounds was found wrapped in a shawl, they said. The post-mortem report revealed that the child was attacked with the sharp tool multiple times on the stomach and back, police added. Colombian woman missing for 2 years found floating alive in sea. A 46-year-old woman from Colombia missing since 2018 was found floating alive in a sea a few kilometers off the coast of Colombia by 2 fishermen. The fisherman was surprised when the woman raised her arms for help. Angelica Gaitan said she ran away from home due to domestic violence and began living on the street and then a shelter. Supreme Court refuses to postpone UPSC preliminary exam. The Supreme Court on Wednesday refused to postpone UPSC Civil Services preliminary exam, which is scheduled to be held on October 4. However, the bench asked the UPSC to consider granting an extra attempt to aspirants for whom this year's exam would be their last chance. The plea for the postponement was filed by 20 civil service aspirants. France announced that it will gradually ban the use of wild animals in circuses, on keeping dolphins and killer whales in captivity in marine parks at the end of May, forming for further. It's time to open a new era in our relationship with these animals, the French Environment Minister said. The measures will affect around 80 circuses, the minister added. Maldives receives Dornier maritime surveillance aircraft gifted by India. A Maldives National Defence Force, which is MNDF, on Tuesday said it has received a Dornier maritime surveillance aircraft gifted by India on the initiation of Maldives government in 2016. The aircraft will assist in ongoing joint surveillance activities by India and Maldives of the exclusive economic zone under command and control of MNDF. It will also engage in humanitarian relief. Fake FB profiles of TN police officers demand money from users. Several police officers in Tamil Nadu have faced instances where their social media profiles are being replicated by unidentified persons who use it to demand monetary favors from their contact. S. Saravanan, Deputy Commissioner of Police of Tirunelveli City, and V. Balakrishnan, a police officer in the rank of Deputy Inspector General, recently reported fake profiles using their names. Meet Mr. Nikhil Sai, a 19-year-old digital marketer making 10 lakhs per month working with international clients, now teaching digital marketing for free now. Make sure to follow him now before he goes private. Eating grapes improves the brain's ability to process new information and thus enhances the intelligence. Alexander the Great, Julius Caesar, Genghis Khan, Napoleon, Mussolini and Hitler all suffered from ailurophobia, which is the fear of cats. This is an aerial view of a Blue Dragon River in Portugal. One out of every 2 cars sold in India as a Maruti. On an average, Maruti sells more than 4,000 cars in a day. Thank you for watching. I hope it is very useful to you. Share this knowledge to your friends.